Hi, I'm Bob Foley, Product Marketing Manager with Honeywell Analytics. I'm going to describe for you the activation for the BW Clip.
To activate your BW Clip, make sure you are in a normal atmosphere free of hazardous gas. Press and hold the push button until you see a 5-second timer countdown. Continue to hold the button until the end of the countdown. The LCD and all LEDs will light up for a moment and the horn will sound. The unit will then complete a self-test. The sensor stabilization will begin and the device will vibrate for 20 seconds. Once the self-test is complete, the alarm set points are displayed and the unit LEDs flash once again. The display will then show the remaining operating life in months and the gas type detected for this unit. The detector is now in operating mode. For more videos about the BW Clip, visit our website, honeywellanalytics.com.